Bagi Anda yang duduk di kursi-kursi yang dilengkapi airbag seatbelt, dimohon untuk membaca kartu petunjuk airbag seatbelt yang terdapat di kantung kursi atau di dalam tempat majalah di samping. Sesuai peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil, merusak atau menyebabkan tidak berfungsinya alat deteksi asap di dalam kamar kecil, merokok di kamar kecil, atau di kabin tidak diperbolehkan. Terima kasih dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this flight of Garuda Indonesia, member of SkyTeam. And we would like to extend our welcome to SkyTeam Elite Plus and Elite members. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulations, we will demonstrate or show you a video concerning the use of safety equipment and procedures of this aircraft. For safety reasons, do not use your smartphones, tablet devices, and other electronic devices during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Please put your smartphones and tablet devices in flight mode at all times while in the aircraft. The use of transceivers, AM/FM radio, radio control devices, and remote control toys are prohibited while in the aircraft. The use of power bank or spare lithium batteries is strictly prohibited during flight, including recharging or connecting the power bank to other electronic devices. If you are seated in a seat equipped with airbag seatbelt, you are kindly requested to read the airbag seatbelt briefing card available in your seat pocket or inside the literature rack. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulations, tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detector in lavatory, smoking in lavatory or cabin is prohibited. Thank you, and we wish you a pleasant flight.
Iya, coba apa kasih tahu. Hari ini kayaknya belum bisa deh Pak. Iya, saya bilang Pak Soma iya.